In this video, we'll show you how to check your Claude usage limits. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's hand things over to Pauser, who will walk you through the process. Once you're inside Claude, go to the top left corner and click on the 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, select File, then click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see several options. Look for an option called Usage. If it's available to you, click on it. Keep in mind, if you're using the free version of Claude, you may not be able to access this section. However, users on a paid plan will be able to view their usage details. In the Usage section, Claude displays your activity through a progress bar. Here you can see information such as your current usage, session or weekly limits, depending on your plan, and a visual indicator of how much of your limit you've used. It may also show when your usage will reset. And that's it. That's how you check your Claude usage limits. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to helpful guides.